What's going on, guys? Today I've got the Titan Fitness 1,000 pound flat bench to go over. You know, like a lot of you, I've been trying to put together my own little home gym. Our governor has decided that the best way to stay fit and healthy during a pandemic is to close gyms. So here we are trying to make something of it at home. I was always been a little wary about, home gym equipment. To me, it's always felt a little cheap, at least compared to commercial quality stuff. But hopefully this Titan line kind of slots right in the middle, maybe. Price-wise, it might be a little closer to home game, but hopefully quality-wise, it's closer to something like Rogue. At least that's what I'm hoping. Price-wise, we're at somewhere between $125 to $150, depending on where you're at. So let's do a real quick unboxing, and then we'll put her together, and I'll give you my thoughts on it, and we'll close it on out. All right, let's get going. Here is everything we get inside the box. As you'd expect, not much to it, and assembly should be relatively quick. Before bolting things together, let's take a look at the thickness of the square tubing used. It might be tough to see here, but I'm reading about 0.93 inches. Taking a look at this standard carbon steel reference chart, and we see that corresponds to 13 gauge. This is thinner than what Rep and Rogue use on their competing products. Both of those manufacturers go 11. That said, it's really nothing to worry about. 3x3 square tube with 1/4 inch reinforcement plates at all junctions is still very good. This product comes in at about 60% the price of the comparable Rogue product with shipping considered, so I think it's fair some compromises were made. To begin assembly, we'll need several tools: a 14mm socket or wrench, a 19mm socket, and a mallet or dead blow hammer. We'll start by installing the rubber feet on the leg bases. One can muscle them on, but the mallet or hammer takes some of the effort out of it. Also, can we take a moment to appreciate my pro-level cinematography, in which I managed to get exactly 0% of this task in frame? Oh well, guess I won't be getting my invite to the Academy Awards. I'll have to miss out on my verbal admonishment for just existing from a bunch of self-righteous, hypocritical celebrities. Next, we'll go ahead and bolt the base assembly to the rest of the frame. For this, we'll use our 19mm socket. Titan does not provide any specific torque values, so an air-quoted "tight enough" should do it. The manufacturer is also nice enough to include some rubber bolt caps. I'm not sure how many people work out in bare feet, but hey, if you do, it's one less thing to cut yourself on. The pad is bolted on last. This is accomplished with our 14mm socket. Again, no torque values spec'd, so tight enough it is. Once assembled, we can verify some dimensions. I saw conflicting info on Amazon, so let's set the record straight. We've got a pad width of 12 inches, a pad length of 48 inches, and a pad height of just a tad under 17. Moving the bench around is effortless. The included and pre-installed wheels make sure this task is handled without any additional effort on the athlete's part. Overall fit and finish I consider very good. I've read some complaints about Titan Fitness that reference low quality welds. On this unit, we've got some that look very good, some that look a little messy, and a few that look just good enough. Though I doubt any of these will make it to a weld porn Instagram account, they're all 100% functional and I have no issue with them. Fabric stitching is also very nice. As we can see here in the Titan logo, everything looks sharp and there don't appear to be any loose threads. Overall, I'm very happy with this product. At the end of the day, we have to ask ourselves one question. Considering the price, how likely would we be to purchase again or recommend to a friend? My answer is very. Despite using a thinner gauge of metal than some competitors, it still feels extremely sturdy. Here I'm pressing 135 pounds, and although a tiny bit of flex appears on camera, nothing was felt during the exercise. There is, however, one area I wish Titan would reconsider: the method by which the pad attaches to the frame. There is only a single support running down the middle. Many competitors offer additional steel bracing perpendicular to the big center support. If your primary movements place weight evenly or over the middle, then this shouldn't be a problem. However, if your movements tend to concentrate weight towards the edge, hip thrusters come to mind, then you might consider an alternative product. Okay, that's all I've got, so take care.